Hi folks, the housing market has started to pick up again. Interest rates have stabilized at about 6.5% for the last week or so, down from their high of last year of 8%. As we continue to fight inflation, we should start thinking ahead about what's coming in the market and if we want to step into it or not. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of a new housing plan in Avondale. This is the first of a series that I'm going to do, and I'm also going to do an interview with a lender in another video to let you know how to prepare yourself if the market changes even more. Parkside villas are located at 99th and Thomas. In this area, you'll find some new homes being built throughout this area by different builders. In addition to its close proximity to Loop 101 and the I-10 for easy access, 99th Avenue is another main artery that can be used in lieu of 101 if the 101 is a little busy. Now, when construction is not going on there and I go to Costco is right down the road, I usually take 99th back up to my home, which is on Northern Avenue. The Gateway Pavilions are located near McDowell Road, again just south, with Costco, movie theaters, Best Buys, places to eat. So again, easy access for dining or shopping. The closest elementary school to this area is Garden Lakes Elementary. It was A-rated last year, it's B-rated this year. It does offer STEAM education, which is science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. But if you want private schools, there are Arizona Preparatory Academy and North Star Charter School just north of that area. Legacy Online Academy is available, and a Legacy Traditional School. Legacy Traditional Schools are charter schools that have been building all around the valley. They have a large presence here in Arizona. There's a model that's available right now in Parkside's Villa. It's CC Art M3. 3 stands for 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, almost 1,800 square feet, 2-car garage, 2-story for just under $435,000. Let's go in and take a look. Coming in from the entryway, off to the right, guest accommodations, as well as 2-car garage, easy interior access, on-demand hot water heater, and there's also a water loop in case you want to add some filtration. Appliances are already installed and ready for your use. Nice gas stove. I love cooking on gas. Again, electric at home. Not that thrilled about it. Nice farmhouse style of sink, along with quartz countertops throughout. French door, refrigerator with freezer compartments down below, and an easy accessible pantry. As we make our way around an adjacent sitting room, there's a dining area here. Looks out over toward the park and the mountains to the south. Get a quick view of what you'll see out front. Make our way up the stairs to the living quarters. Turn on some hall lights here. First guest bedroom. This is a 3-bedroom. With the laundry upstairs, making it easy so when you shed your clothes at the end of the day, you throw them right inside here. And again, this bathroom is for the guests or the other family members who may be living here. We'll head over to the master now, take a look at that. We enter the master bedroom. Again, you get some good views of the mountains. Wake up every morning and watch every night as the sun sets and throw some really remarkable shadows on that. That's South Mountain. And when the sun sets in the west, you really get a good view of all the crags and valleys. Really spectacular view of the mountains. We'll make our way into the master ensuite, primarily with a large shower, large walk-in shower. You'll find today that many master baths, or owner suite baths if you prefer, opt for showers rather than bathtubs, but in the guest bathroom there is a bathtub in case you'd like a good soak. Again, nice cultured marble, Jack and Jill sinks, and a decent sized walk-in closet with multiple levels to hang clothes. You could even put small dressers inside here in the corners if you'd like for more storage. Privacy, with a water closet separated from the rest of the bath. As we walk outside, there's not a gigantic yard here. There's enough room to put in play area for kids if you want a sandbox, things like that for smaller children. Or if you just want to make this a barbecue area, you can certainly do that as well. The HOA for this property is $131 a month. You might think, it seems a little bit high. But this community includes a pool, pickleball, basketball, playground for children, and a barbecue area for you to host family and friends coming over to visit or to get together with the community. Even though it's close to I-10 and 99th Avenue, it's set off so that you can actually build community inside this plan. So you really don't have to worry about trucks and vehicles running through here day and night because it is offset from the main roads, and it won't disturb your peace and quiet. Another thing that is included in the HOA is front yard maintenance. So you don't have to worry about maintaining that any longer. They're going to take care of that for you. One less thing to worry about. Let's take a walk over to the community park and see what the amenities are offered by Parkside Villas. And so here's the view of the playground area, barbecue pit areas, a couple of pavilions in here for you to enjoy yourself. We'll continue the tour of the community park in just a minute, but you may be asking yourself, do I really need an agent to come see this property? Well, the good news is Taylor Morrison is already paying for you to be represented. They are already offering a co-broke for you to be represented. So if you don't bring an agent, particularly the first time you come, always bring an agent the first time you visit a new builder, they may deny your access to that kind of representation. And they have every right to do that. The agent needs to bring you in to register you as a client. And at that point, you're protected. You have a professional who's going to walk you through the process, make sure you're covered, and put you on that journey to building your own personal wealth and equity in ownership of a home. So as mentioned previously, there are pickleball courts, basketball courts, and outside of this fenced and protected area, there's a large common area, a green area, throwing around a football, catch a little baseball. Come on out in the fall, the spring, have a little picnic out here. This brings nature into the community, makes it a more relaxing place. Anytime there's a green space here in the desert, it adds to the charm of that community. This is a very good sized area. Last thing I wanted to show you was the pool area. But before that, look at these nice clouds. It's only 102 degrees here in Phoenix today. It's during the monsoon, so we have over 300 days of sunshine, but today we get a little bit of cloud and some sprinkle. Plenty of lounge chairs. There's positive entry control for children to be able to get in, only accompanied by someone else. There's also a lift system in the pool, so if you have some disability where you'd require some assistance, easy to get in and out of the pool itself. So a nice relaxing location and place, and a very nice community offered by Taylor Morrison out here in Phoenix, Arizona. So if you're interested in looking at a place like this, leave me a comment below, give me a call. You can contact me in a variety of ways, and I'll reach out to you. We'll come down and take a look. Particularly as we head towards September, and we hope that we might see some reduction in mortgage interest rates. You should also know that they're offering 4.99% conventional and 4.85% FHA loans in this area. And if you want to buy a property that's not completely built yet, a new property that will be finished, let's say in 2025, if that's your plans, they're offering up to 6% back closing costs on the price of the home. Can't beat that deal. So if you're interested in taking a look at these, please give me a call, leave a comment below, and I'll reach out to you.